Okay, yesterday the windows went in. You can see, you might be able to see one at the back there. They're looking good. I think I did a good job. And now today, I'm going to put some of the framework in that will hold back all the insulation I'm going to put in there, the extra insulation, and also that I'm going to clad the walls too. So yeah, I'm going to get started on that now. And I've got some things to hopefully get delivered in the next couple of days, so I'm going to cut some more holes in for the toilet access door and stuff like that. So plenty still to do. I'm going to get cracking with this now. So I've got these self-drilling screws that are supposed to go into sheet metal, or at least, you know, thin metal we've got going on here. I haven't started using them yet. I'm going to give them a go today, and hopefully I don't have to drill loads of holes. Using 18mm by 34mm battening there. I've got some thinner stuff like 12mm, 34 if I need it, but I think that's going to be flexible enough to take the curves of the van, but also be strong enough to support all the cladding. So, let's give it a go. That drill needs a rest, it's getting pretty hot, but those screws are awesome. Yeah, a couple of fiddly ones, but it's going in great. Alright, just the ceiling to go. The roof. Hey. I just had a thought, because I already thought about doing it on these doors and things, is that these have been going straight through wood into metal. So why don't I just do that for the ceiling? I couldn't do it on the sides because they're not running the right way, but the ceiling beams are. So I could just put the cladding straight on the ceiling. I'll probably pre-drill the holes for the cladding, but then go straight in to the ceiling with these. We'll see how it goes, or I'll pre-drill the ceiling and use self-tapping screws. So I think that's what I'm going to go for that. So that's me pretty much done for that. I'm going to tidy up, take a few pictures, post them for Instagram, MotoringHome, look it up, and yeah, already finished. I might do some more. Let me see if I can think of something.